Okay, hello everybody. So it is Monday afternoon, Monday evening, 5:10 Central Time, 6:10 Eastern Time. And I just pulled into the Flying J truck stop. We're about an hour north of, or almost an hour north of Des Moines, Iowa. And I've got a load scheduled for tomorrow. It's a live load at 4 o'clock. So again, what do? I'm sitting. But it's a good thing too, because there's a winter weather advisory or warning, I think warning, out. Several inches of snow this evening and until tomorrow. Should taper off by late morning. Just my damn luck. I'm trying to get out of here to better weather, but anyway, so my load leaves excuse me, Carlisle, Iowa, which is kind of just south of Des Moines, southeast a little, and it's gonna go to Buffalo, New York. So it's about 850 miles plus about 180 miles from where I dropped my last load down to this one. So my empty miles plus my loaded miles, which is 850. And it has to be there before midnight Wednesday. We'll see what happens. But I just want to turn the camera around and show y'all. It is snowing, and it's probably going to get a little bit worse. So hold on a sec. And can you see that? All that nice white fluffy stuff blowing around. Give you a little better view. Look at the red truck right there. You can maybe see it blowing by. So of course it was a good thing again that I pulled in and took a stop. Got out of the weather, don't need to be driving, be safe. So I'm fixing to go inside the truck stop.